In January of 1980, BALLY released its Nitro ground shaker pinball machine off the assembly line. There were 7,950 produced. The game design was by George Christian and the artwork was done by Dave Christensen. I was feeling very adventurous the day I found this game on Facebook Marketplace. I negotiated the guy down to $1,000 and I drove all the way up to Kingsburg, California from Santa Ana. It was about a 10-hour day there and back, and it cost me $150 in gas. $1,000 sounds like a good price, but apparently I guess you get what you pay for, because the playfield on this thing was completely done, worn down to the bare wood. It had a bunch of board hacks, a bunch of connectors were all rigged together. Like, it just needed to be completely rewired. All the sockets were bad. All the displays were half burnt up with measles. And then the cabinet was just complete trash. There was a bunch of big chips and water stains, and the paint was faded. It was terrible. It took me about 150 labor hours and $4,300 in parts just to get here. But now it's one of the nicest Nitro ground shaker restorations that's ever been built.
Suns that burns out, rising ever higher, a phoenix from up higher, my eternal desire. I'm on fire, I'm on fire, I'm on fire. From the lips of love that burns on, the pleasure's getting